This is the Royal Master Grinders TG12x4 servo cycle with short wire loader unloader. This particular machine was designed to grind a 6-inch long wire with an 1.5-inch long unground section. This feeder is unique in many ways, where it picks up the wire, grips it, we'll feed it into the machine, and then the unground section of the wire will get seen by the two photo eyes. It'll spit back out into the tray, and then another one will load. Cycle time is about 12 seconds, and depending on throughput, it can be as low as 8 seconds. This machine is on our TG12x4 servo cycle platform, which means it has a servo motor infeed, ball screw, but it has a dovetailing gib ram bed, and it has our new control on it, which has the dual panel control. So you have your infeed grind screen up, as well as your feeders grind screen up. So it's very intuitive, and you can watch everything that's going on at one time. This machine can be ordered with granite platform or cast iron base and bed platform. The feeder here is designed so it can lift up out of the way, so you can do machine maintenance. The electrical panel is located on the back of the machine, so it's a very compact footprint. This particular machine has a 4.5-inch wide grinding and regulating wheel to accommodate the extra long taper on the part. If you have any further questions about the system, please call or email Royal Master Grinders. Thank you.